be teaching you how to use BorrowBox. First, to sign in, you use a library. So ours is Falkirk, and then it should come up with Falkirk Learning Resources. If you tap that, then that's the first step done. Then you have to log in with your Glow account. Now, if that doesn't work, then something's wrong with your Glow password. But then it comes up with all of these. So you can just scroll down to the bottom or just press agree. And then it logs you into Falkirk Council Learning Resources. So you've got so many books. You've got so many books to choose from, and it looks like a book. So you can just borrow loads of books, but some of them in a library, like normal, like this one, loads of people. This one is so popular that so many people want to borrow it that they've ran out of downloads. So you have to reserve this, and then you just borrow it, and you can either keep browsing or listen now. Then it just plays through the book. Then there's another type as well, the ebooks. The ebooks are actually books. So if we just borrow, for example, there's Winter Wonders, trending titles, there's so many amazing books. Borrow, we're just going to borrow, let's just say, the Person Controller. So once we borrow that, now I'm going to show you what this looks like. So if you read now, Falkirk Council bookmark, and you actually turn the pages like a real book. So it's got loads of wee things, and then you've got all the chapters, and if you tap on them, it's a link to get there. So you can just pull it down at the bottom to get to the end of the book, or the start of the book, or even the middle of the book. So you can just keep swiping, and it's got pictures. You can use anytime you want. So you can just go off of the app and back on, and you don't even have to log in and get categories. So if you don't know which one you want, but you know what kind of book you like. So you've got new releases, you've got bestsellers, you've got fiction, you've got